Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to customize the Explore location on the X app, so you can see trending topics and content from the place you actually want to follow, not just where you are right now. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top left or top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account preferences are stored. From there, select Privacy and Safety. Inside this menu, you'll find tools to control what you see and share on X. Now, tap on Content you see. This section controls the type of topics and trends that appear in your feed. Within that menu, tap on Explore Settings. This is the exact place where you can manage your location preferences for the Explore tab. Here, you'll notice an option called Show Content in this location. If this is switched on, the Explore section will automatically show trending content from wherever you are physically located. If you want to customize your location instead, toggle this option off. Once it's turned off, you'll see an option called Explore Locations. Tap on that and you'll be able to choose from a variety of locations around the world. Simply scroll through the list, pick your desired location, and your Explore feed will now be based on that place, instead of your current area. That's it. You've now successfully customized your Explore location inside the X app. This means you can keep up with trends from a specific city or country no matter where you are, whether it's to follow local news, connect with a different community, or just explore what's happening somewhere else in the world. If you found this helpful, take a moment to apply these steps right now and enjoy a more personalized experience on X. Now you know exactly how to take control of your Explore feed, simple, quick, and tailored just for you.